What's up? What it do? What it do? What it do? If it's your first time here, my name is Alethea. Alright, so I'm coming at you with I don't know what you call this. There's a vlogger here, a YouTuber by the name of Andrea Renee, and she does these 5 looks with one palette, and that is what I'm doing in this video. She has used several different palettes to do the 5 looks, and I am doing one today. And I like her little series, so I may do another one within this series. For this 5 looks in one palette series, she used the Jackie Aina palette. First off, let me just say, now, for those of you that watch my makeup videos, or for those of you that it's your first time here, I am 46 years old. I always say over 40, but I'm going to go ahead and put it out there. I am 46 years old. Jackie Aina and Andrea Renee are definitely younger than I am. I think Jackie is 32 and Andrea Renee, I'm not sure how old she is, but I know she's not much older than that. Or I think she's younger than Jackie Aina. So with that being said, the looks are not going to look exactly the same on me as they look on them, because I have, first of all, mature skin than them. You know, my skin has been seasoned a little bit more, so to speak. And also, my eye shape is different from theirs. I have a hooded eye. My eyes are not extensively hooded, but they are hooded. So the looks are going to be a little bit different in that aspect. And also, I am a different complexion from them. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into this thing. All right, you guys, so I totally suck at doing a screen recording. I've done them before, but for some reason they just did not come out right. I was trying to do the screen recording of Andrea Renee to put them in here, but I just kept messing it up. So I guess I'm gonna have to get the creative lady to give me a virtual lesson on how to do it. But what I did do is I put a picture. I was able to successfully screenshot a picture of her. So with each look, I am going to insert a picture of her. However, like I said, you can always go to the description box to find the video, as well as I'm going to link the video in the cards above, because I want to make sure that I give 100% credit to Andrea Renee, because these were her looks. All right, so we're about to do look number 2. First off, let me just say, with Andrea Renee, she puts the powder right here for fallout. I don't do that because I don't want my under eyes to look dry, because I already have lines and I don't want them to be more pronounced by me putting powder on there for too long, so I don't. So with this look, when she starts off, she says she's using ginger, big wig, and edges, but actually as the look goes on, she goes in and she adds Shookington. So let's do look number 2. I want to also add that with each look on the waterline, she used black liner and the color Credit to kind of smoke that black liner out, and I did the same thing. She did not show it in her videos when she did that. She just went away and did it, and pretty much that's basically the same thing that I did. And as you may be able to tell, at certain points I was watching her video because I was making sure I did the look exactly like she did. So I was trying to make sure I followed directions 100%. So yeah, there were times where I was looking at the computer, paying attention to her. Okay, so this is the 4th look in her series, and there's one more look and then I will edit and upload this video. I just wanted to come in and say I have thoroughly enjoyed doing this. I'd like to see how it looks different on her versus how it looks on me. One thing that I do like about her looks is the fact that she does not do a cut crease on any of these looks. Now, I'm not saying some of her looks, other looks. I'm saying with this series, with this Jackiana palette, she did not do a cut crease on any of these, which makes them beginner friendly for someone that does not know how to do a cut crease or what have you. So I have finished creating all 5 looks that Andrea Renee created using the Jackiana palette. And this is the final look. And this one right here, I would say was the most complicated out of all of them, but none of them were complicated to the point where they couldn't be followed. I mean, I know some people might be like, well, you're used to doing makeup, but I'm telling you, these looks are definitely beginner friendly. How about that? So like I said, I enjoyed doing these looks. She has some other 5 looks, and I may create another one with one of the other palettes, because I do have, she did the Urban Decay On The Run palette. I think she did the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm not sure, but I think she did. And I know she did that new Amrezi, but I don't have that one. I have the old one, so that I can't do that one. With that being said, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you'll stick around for what I have coming on my channel. I definitely appreciate you and look forward to whatever you have to say in the comments. Please go ahead and leave your suggestions as to videos you would like to see on my channel. I do have some more makeup videos coming up, as well as other videos, so please do stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.